so we just got an order for Sweet Green. We're gonna accept it. So it's super close by. So right when I clicked accept, it brought me to the GPS, to Google Maps. So I just want to go back and then review all the instructions. So this is the pickup address, order number, and then I go down to item. I wanted to check what it is. If it's a drink or it's food. This is like a salad or something like that. There's only one item, which is good. Since I'm on a scooter, I don't want too many items. So I always want to check the amount of items and if there's drinks. I do have a drinks holder, but I don't necessarily want to use it too often if there's too many drinks. The next thing I want to do is check on the top right, the pickup and the deliver to instructions. Pickup instructions, easy, one item, okay. And then deliver to specifically, alright, so I'm going to deliver to this address, leave at my door the instructions. So since I'm super close by, see on the top, pickup 151. Right now it's 144. Alright, so my camera for some reason died there. But just got that ping for Sweet Green. So I'm just waiting for 151 to pick it up. I don't want to get there too early. Sometimes when you're too close, you're just going to be waiting around. So while you're waiting, you might get a ticket, something like that. I don't really have the issue on the scooter, but so I'm just gonna wait a minute. I'm turning this off for a second. Still have, 6 minutes until pickup, but it's right there around the block. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn off the camera for 5 minutes, and I'll come right back, and then I'll show you how we do this thing. Alright, so I'm gonna make my way to Sweet Greens. Let's see. Super close by. Should be quick. Let's see. Alright, so now that we're pretty close, go back to Google Maps. And once we get there, I'm going to click arrive at store. Store. Right here. Perfect. Just want to make sure we have what we have. One item. Perfect. Plop it in the bag. Confirm pickup. Now, alright. Now we're just going to click directions. I'll show you the next page here. It says the information, where to drop it off, instructions. So you click directions. We're on the way. It's minutes away, super close, so I like. Get some. For the really. Not that difficult. You know, you just have to be smart. You have to plan out, you know, which pickups are good and which ones aren't, which ones are worth your time and which ones are not. You know, time is money. For me, trying to keep items under 1 to 3 items. I'm on a scooter, you know, trying to stay away from pizzas. South Boston from the Seaport, but such a nice drive. Seaport's so nice. Oh goodness. Yeah, like I was saying, I try to stay away from pizzas, try to stay away from soups and places with a lot of drinks, since I'm on a scooter. You know, if you're in your car, you can make up your mind about that, but try to stick to places with like bowls, salads, sweet greens, honey grown, all those places. Sushi places are really good. Good tips. 4 minutes away. How are you doing? So it's not that difficult. You just gotta be smart. Weather here is perfect. That's the one thing, you know, if you're gonna be on 2 wheels, the weather has to accommodate you. I'm in the Northeast, I'm in Boston. You can only do this on the scooter for maybe a couple more months. Basically, if I have to do it in a car, I'm not sure how much it would be worth your time with the fuel costs, but that's up to you to decide. to go back. And then it just says leave at door. So first, like arrived at customer. And then the next thing you want to do is click complete delivery steps, and then you have to take a picture of your drop-off. Complete delivery step, take photo, allow, camera. Place it, enough. And then take a picture of the full door with the address. Voila. Check. Complete delivery. Give it a good rating. Easy parking I usually do. Ask merchant if it's true. Confirm. That's it. Easiest $7.75 you ever made. So yeah, really not much to it. Just have to be smart. About your pickups, drop-offs. Over here. Right? So if you're thinking about it, just give it a shot. It's that easy. Alright. I hope this video helped. Don't be intimidated, just go for it. Make some easy money. Alright, till next time.